When should you use censor and when should you use censure? Let's get into them. The first word is censor. Censor means to remove, block, hide, or control information, words, images, or parts of something. It means to stop people from seeing or hearing something. The pronunciation, censor, censor. Grammatical nature, it is usually used as a verb, but it can also be a noun. We use censor when someone removes parts of a book, movie, speech, or post. Or something is hidden from the public. Or information is controlled. Examples: the government censored the news report. Some scenes in the movie were censored. The platform censored his post. The book was censored before publication. In all these examples, something is blocked, removed, or hidden. The second word is censure. Censure means to strongly criticize someone or say clearly that something is wrong. It means to strongly say this is wrong. Pronunciation, censure, censure. Grammatical nature, it can be a verb or a noun. We use censure when someone strongly criticizes a person. People clearly show they do not agree. A group says something is wrong. Examples: the council censured the official for his behavior. Her actions received public censure. The committee gave a formal censure. The manager was censured for his decision. Here, nothing is hidden. Instead, someone is being strongly criticized. The key difference: censor means to block or remove content. Censure means to strongly criticize, as in, they censored the article, they removed part of it, they censured the journalist, they criticized the journalist. Censor means to cut the content. Think censor means cut or remove. Something is taken out. Censure means criticize a person. Think of censure as criticize or blame. Someone is judged or criticized. Final examples: if a company deletes part of a video, it censors the video. If people criticize the company for doing that, they censure the company. Now you know exactly when to use each one. Censor and censure. Almost similar spellings, but completely different actions.